Welcome to Room 5's assembly. For our assembly, we're looking at Article 6.
All children and young people have the right to survive and the right to develop.
In class, we can request snacks by using symbols, PECs or aided language displays.
Ashley, look, I want toast. Ashley did saying toast.
In class, we have been exploring the Hungry Caterpillar story.
Story, the very hungry caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Oh, dear. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a very tiny and hungry caterpillar. A caterpillar? On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still uh-oh. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. And that night, he had a stomachache. Oh dear. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and woo! He was a beautiful butterfly.
The hungry caterpillar eats lots of food to help him grow.
This is the Makaton sign for more.
More. Go on then, look. More.
More.
It likes to
Say more.
Shall we do it?
More.
A new sign. More.
We keep saying more.
As a class, we explored the things children need to survive and grow. Food. You do it.
See? Where? Three, 2, 1. Knee.
Where's the pen? Stone. Good boy. 2. You say it, relax. And play. Education.
In class, we have the space to relax and play.
This week's challenge. How does hunger affect children? How does it make you feel when you are hungry? Draw around one of your friends and write the feelings you have when you are hungry.
Thank you for watching our assembly.